The best house for first-home buyers in Ringwood East. Scene 1, action!
Mike, I think I know what I'm doing.
Yeah. You know what you're doing, you do it in your way. Apparently I heard first-home buyers really like the views.
Right.
No, don't film me. You should film the view. Magnificent view over there.
I was trying to film the kitchen, but...
All right. Hey, Andrew, film the kitchen. Look at the size of the kitchen. Our first-home buyers will love this kitchen.
You just told me to film the view.
Did I? Andrew, I think this bedroom looks better in the afternoon because natural light will come into this bedroom in the afternoon. Our first-home buyers love natural lights. Oh, but you do whatever you want to do, Andrew. Thanks.
All right, Mike, we're all done.
Oh, you're done? Oh, thanks for today, Andrew.
Yeah, no problem. I'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, apparently I do have another idea, Andrew.
Yeah, we'd love to stay and chat, but got to get to the next one.
Hey, Andrew!